Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a very good question based on the properties of SCF and LCM. So the question is LCM of two numbers P and Q, where P is greater than Q. This is the condition. We have a number P and Q, and P is greater than Q, and then LCM is 935. So what is the maximum possible sum of digit? Sum of digit of Q. तो हमें Q का sum of digit को maximize करना है, right? Now see. First of all, let us assume P is a number of the form AX and Q is a number of form AY. तो इनका HCF क्या होगा? It will be A only, and the LCM will be A into X into Y. Fine. तो point is दोनों में कुछ part common हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. The value of A can be 1 also, right? So first of all, let us factorize this 935. So 935 in form of its prime factor can be written as 5 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 17. These are the prime factor of 935. Now see, the condition is that P is greater than Q. तो P को हम कोई भी single number assume नहीं कर सकते हैं, right? क्योंकि suppose I assume P to be 5 और LCM is 935, तो Q must be then 11 into 17 or it must be then 5 into 11 into 17, right? पर उन cases में Q will be greater than P. हमारी condition है वो contradict हो जाएगी. So we cannot take P equal to 5, we cannot take P equal to 11 for the same reason, and we cannot take P equal to 17 for the same reason. Now suppose we take P as product of two numbers. Let us assume that P is 5 into 11, that is 55, or we can take the product as 5 into 17, that is 85, or it can be 11 into 17, that is 187. यदि हम P को दो numbers का product मानते हैं तो in this case Q has to be less than 55. So Q can be either, and also we need to include 17, right? तभी LCM 935 आएगा. तो Q can be either 17 और 17 का product मैं किसी से भी नहीं ले सकता हूँ because it will then exceed 55, right? तो this case is not possible. ठीक है, इसमें जो Q का sum of digit आ रहा है वो केवल 8 ही आ रहा है. Fine. यहाँ पर यदि हम Q लेते हैं तो P में I have included 5 and 17. तो Q must have 11. It can be either 11 or it can be 11 into 5 also. ये 55 भी हो सकता है, ये 11 भी हो सकता है. इस केस में sum of digit is 2. इस केस में 55. The sum of digit is 10. Fine. So these two cases are possible. Now in case P is 11 into 17, तो Q क्या हो सकता है? Q can be either 11. It can be either 11 into 5. It can be 5 into 17. Fine. क्योंकि ये कुछ भी वैल्यू हो सकती है. तो यहाँ पर the sum of digit is 2. यहाँ पर the sum of digit is again 10 and यहाँ 85. 85 means 13. ये आपका sum of digit आ रहा है Q का. And last case, when we assume P to be product of all the three numbers, जब P को हमने 935 ही मान लिया है. Now the options with Q is any number which is less than 935. So it can be product of 5 into 11, it can be product of 11 into 17, it can be product of 5 into 17. Q तीनों का product नहीं हो सकता है because Q is less than P. But Q इनमें से किसी भी दो का product हो सकता है. तो 5 into 11 we have already considered 55. The sum of digit was coming out to be 10. Then we can have 5 into 17, 85. Again we have already considered this case. The sum of digit in this case is 13. And when we assume Q to be 11 into 17, that is 187. Again, Q is less than 935, right? So Q is less than P. So the sum of digit in this case will be 16, which is the highest possible value for sum of digit of QR. So the correct answer to this question is option B, that is 16. I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.